Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is a new one. It is the Changing Room Chronicles with me. If you are new here, this channel is all about affordable finds in beauty, home, and fashion, and what I deem to be affordable and what you deem to be affordable, maybe two different things, but you can still enjoy this video. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be a part of the Frugal fam, and also make sure you thumbs up the video. I would appreciate it, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss an upload. You guys, I went to Walmart and I found a bunch of different dresses and items perfect for summer. I be hot. I'm just gonna say it, I be hot. And I just need something cool to wear because, honey, summer is no joke. So anyway, I just wanted to share some affordable items that I found at Walmart. I will do my best to link these below. I may not get all of them, y'all. I do apologize. I'm gonna do my best to link them below. This is not sponsored in any way, but we're gonna speak it into existence. It will be one day. First item I want to mention is from Time and True, and there are a lot of Time and True items on here, you guys. I'm just letting you know. But I did purchase a tank top from Time and True. They also have the spaghetti strap tops as well, and these are great for layering. The one that I purchased was $4.98, so $5. And they come in a plethora of colors and sizes. Like I said, these are great for layering. They're also just great to wear on their own, especially since it is warmer outside. A great way to keep you cool. And like I said, they came in so many different colors. I went ahead and picked up a navy one just to layer underneath some other shirts and things like that so I could wear it to the office. And speaking of layering, I bought this white shirt from Time and True, and this is just a short sleeve shirt, button down, white, crisp shirt. This is also available in sleeveless, but I went ahead and got the one with the sleeves so I can wear it to work and feel comfortable. And I did pair it with my Time and True tank top that I purchased. So this was just a nice, clean, simple look. It's very lightweight. Like I said, it is button up, so you can button as many buttons as you want to and rock this top. It did come in a couple of different colors, but like I said, I did purchase the white, and this was $17.98. Now, if you are plus size, Tara and Sky also has this shirt, and it's for $18.98. So they do have options for everyone. And I want to mention this white mid-length dress that I just could not pass up. It's mid-length or long, just depending on your height, your leg length, and all of that. I do have long legs, so this was kind of hitting me mid-calf. But I could not pass up this dress, you guys. It was so cute. Of course, it is somewhat see-through, so you have to make sure you get the right undergarments, flesh toned, whatever that is for you, to go underneath this dress. But I just loved it. I thought that this would be a great dress for a white party or something like that. You know, those are pretty common during the summer months. Just a very easy, simple dress that you can dress up or dress down. And this dress was $11.98. And it did come in other colors. You do not have to get the white one. I just did because I don't have any white dresses, and I thought this would be just a great addition to my wardrobe. And again, from Time and True is this utility dress. Now, I just love this dress. I thought it was so cute. It is the right length for me. It hits right about the knee, maybe a little above the knee. Again, if you have long legs like me, then it'll probably hit a little above the knee. But this dress is so easy breezy, just fun dress to wear. Just so simple, just toss it on. I paired it with a cardigan so I could wear it to work and some black sandals. I think I got these sandals from Walmart. If not, then I got them from, I don't know, maybe Shein or something like that. But this dress was $16.98, and the sizes are extra small through XXL. So that's a good option. Like I said, it is very comfortable, very super easy. Just throw it on and go type dress. It also comes in black, green, and white, but I went ahead and got this nice jean color. So it does tie in the front to give you a little bit of waist action if you need to. So I think that that is nice. And I'm sure you guys saw these last summer, but these are from Time and True, and that is their sleeveless knit swing dress. Now, I didn't purchase one on this trip because I already have one. I have one in a dark navy color, and it is listen, it is as advertised. This dress is a throw on and go type of dress. It is so comfortable. You don't have to worry about eating a lot at the barbecue and then it's showing. You don't have to worry about that. This flows away from the body, so it is nice and comfortable. My mom has this dress as well. She has it in several colors. It is just such a comfortable dress. I'm not kidding. And it is only $9.98. So that is very affordable, very simple dress, very comfortable. I love this dress. And you can pair it with a cardigan or some type of top if you want to cover up a little more. And of course, throw on a cute pair of sandals or some sort of flats. And from the brand Free Assembly, they have this square neck eyelet midi dress. This dress is typically $36, so this is one of the pricier dresses. I did not see this dress at my Walmart, and I don't think I would purchase it either because it is a pricier dress, and it just doesn't fit into my budget when it comes to trying to buy multiple dresses at once. It is a little pricier, but this is a really pretty dress, I have to say. It comes in white, red, and gray. Just a very nice dress, kind of a high neck, not too high, but you know, just kind of a nice dress to throw on for an event, maybe even a wedding. But something is slightly similar and slightly cheaper, and that is this Time and True Eyelet Halter midi dress. And I'm looking down, y'all, to make sure I get everything correct. And it is with a tiered skirt. And so the skirt part and the upper body part is all lined, except for maybe the lower inches of the skirt. So it gives a little peekaboo type of feel to it, but don't worry, everything's covered, you're covered. And this dress is available in a dark navy, red, and white. And this dress is $25.98. So it's slightly cheaper than the Free Assembly dress. And I want to mention this Time and True t-shirt dress. It is $9.98, but this is just a t-shirt dress. It's basically an oversized shirt that you can rock as a dress. It really wasn't for me. The one that I have, I'm currently wearing to bed on a regular basis from time to time. Like, I just don't wear it out and about. It's more of a indoor thing for me, in the house chilling type of dress. So anyway, but if it's your thing, they do have these here. You can always throw on a belt of some sort to give you more of a waist. But yeah, they do have these dresses here. They come in various colors. Again, a very easy dress to just throw on and go about your business. And I did try on this Time and True tiered dress with a crochet neck. I thought this was really pretty. It was in the color, I believe the color is sea turtle green. Now, I like sea turtles, but I don't think I want my clothing named that. But it's sea turtle green, olive green, you know, army green, whatever you want to call it. It was a very cute dress, but it just I wasn't really feeling it much. I don't know. I think the material was a little off for me. It wasn't as easy and breezy as some of the other dresses. So it's a little heavier, but I like it. It's still cute. It just wasn't for me. And this does come in other colors. It came in coral, black, cream. They called it ant online. I don't know why. It's a cream color, you guys. I also found this smock neck top from Time and True in this coral color. It's kind of a linen feel to it, but not really. I'm trying to think of the name of this type of material. It was really nice. It was just the neck was not doing it for me. It just fit weird and kind of odd. I do believe they have this in black and white, and of course this really pretty coral color. And the price of this was $11.98, and it comes in various sizes from like extra small to XXL. So that's really nice. Like I said, I loved it. It just, the neck was fitting weird, kind of odd. So I did not pick this up. And from Time and True, they have these high-rise crop jeans, and they had them in white and pink. I did try them on. They come with a little bit of distressing at the hem and also along the pants. If you're not into distressed jeans, then you can find some other ones at Walmart. They have plenty in the store and online, but I wanted to try these out. They fit well, they fit nice. I just wasn't looking for any at the time, and I don't feel like I need them, so I did not pick these up. They were $19.98 and they come in various sizes. They were comfortable, you guys. Don't get me wrong. If you are at a barbecue or something and you want to get in on the line dances or whatever, then you will have no problem in these jeans. They are very comfortable. They have a lot of stretch to them. And I do want to mention these shorts that I found. For some reason, I could not find these online. They had a bunch of different shorts, but they did not have these. Maybe by the time I go back and do some editing, I will have found these shorts, but they were these olive color. I'm going to say olive. I'm not going to say sea turtle green because I think that's so silly, but these olive kind of a cargo short to them. I don't know the length that I was trying on. I'm sorry, you guys, but they are short. They're not super short, but they are shorts. And they were very, very comfortable. And I don't know, I have a soft spot in my heart for green. It's my favorite color. So of course I had to try these on. Well, that's all I have, you guys. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. And also, if you enjoy shopping at Walmart and you want me to do more of these videos, make sure you thumbs it up. I would appreciate it. And please comment because I love talking to you guys in the comments. I will talk to you next time. Bye.